Make newburg sauce. Cooking for your loved ones is such an honor, and it always feels nice to be greeted with great compliments for a job well done in the kitchen. You slave yourself over the kitchen stove, and it all feels like it was worth it once you see how satisfied they are with your food. Other than that, it also gives you a warm feeling to know that you were able to serve such a wonderful dish to your family. Knowing that you were able to satisfy the hunger of the people you love gives such a rewarding feeling, relieving you of feeling tired. But not many people like to cook. There are so many recipes available for you to choose from, but not all of them are quite easy to follow. Some have too many ingredients to complete, while others have very complicated procedures that you'll probably lose interest in cooking. But cooking for the family doesn't have to be complicated for it to be very delicious. You can find a simple recipe that you could follow to cook for your family and still get that satisfied look on their faces. There are a lot of simple recipes that you could follow. You can even put a twist of some recipe to fit it to your family's taste. You can also find several dishes to complement each other to give your family a really satisfying meal. If your family loves seafood and you know a simple seafood dish that just needs a little oomph, then this newburg sauce will be the perfect sauce to complement any seafood dish that you might prepare. It is so easy to make that you can do it within minutes. Just follow these simple steps and serve a delicious sauce that your family would love. Melt the butter. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once it is melted, add 2 tablespoons of flour to make a nice base. Slowly add the water while whisking it in the pan. Add 2 teaspoons of seafood ready base and whisk until it is blended together. Add the other spices. First, add in 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay seafood seasoning. Then add in 1 teaspoon of paprika, and lastly, add 1/2 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. You can use Le Perrins for the Worcestershire sauce since its taste isn't too overpowering. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Slowly add 2 tablespoons of sherry and 2 tablespoons of cream. Whisk it in slowly and serve. You could also place it on top of another dish to give the other dish a new twist. This newburg sauce will go great with any lobster dish or shrimp dish. It will give the perfect taste to complement any seafood dish and even give the special kick that it needs. Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. You can find many recipes that are very easy to do yet taste so excellent. That is why the next time you cook for the family, impress them with very scrumptious newburg sauce that they would absolutely love.